Ceramic drawers that sit inside.
Oh.
So we've got some
Go wild, Barry.
Can I?
Just attached from there, you see. And the tension's quite important because it's harder to pull when you don't get the angle on it. This is a pair of anvil loppers where the anvil seems to have dropped off. And I'm just trying to draw what it might look like. Otherwise, this gentleman will, for the rest of his life, will be intensely frustrated in that he can't cut through a branch without having to take a saw to it.
Oh, bless you all. Well, that's worth giving it a go because that saves, hopefully we'll save it from landfill, save you some money, and we'll save the planet a little bit as well. So if you're happy...
Watches, clocks.
This is a watchmaker's repair kit.
If it ticks and...
If you're doing watches, you need something like that, which is a watchmaker's repair kit.
Batteries. You need a handy clever selection of little batteries.
Yes, I fixed it. Now can I get it back together?
Is that she finds a bit of black velvet so that she can come back again, because I've had to do it with a very rugged edge because the material, the velvet frays, but if you've got a piece of black velvet you could easily just cover that. Yeah.
In order to source materials, it's a take-home job.
It's a take-home job.
Yeah, it often is with the sewing, isn't it?
I've never made a dog harness before.
But all this lot's working okay.
As far as I know now, you need
Because there's very little moving mechanism in there.
No.
It's just a rotator.
Yeah, just a clock.
We will end up with one completely working one and one that has got so many multiple faults that it's beyond all hope of repair.
Yes!
Oh, wonderful!
The lamp is fantastic, so that's...
You can now have 4 pieces of telescope.
This is our 36th Repair Cafe, and we have, it's our 3rd birthday today, and in the meantime, I think the numbers, we've saved thousands and thousands of things going to waste. You've saved people thousands and thousands of money in cost of buying new, and you've passed on lots of amazing skills to everybody. So I'd like you to join me in singing happy birthday to yourselves and your wonderful efforts of repairing, and all the people who bring things to repair as well. Happy birthday, everybody, starting 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you.
everybody. You're amazing.